Then do you think that student must be active outside of classroom? Hello, welcome back to podcast in the second episode. I'm your host today, Naura, and this our guest star today, Anggun. Hello. Hi. Hey Anggun, how's life today? I'm amazing today. How about you? I'm great, thank you. In the first episode, we talk about the transition from senior high school to the university life. And then today we will talk about the life in third semester and fourth semester. We will ask about 5 to 6 questions to Anggun. Okay, Anggun, outside the class, what do you usually spend most of your time? Okay, after the class, usually I got activities like organization work or discussions or just there are days that I want to rest. This semester, like semester 3 and 4, uh, in that time I don't feel free whenever I in a holiday. It's like all of your days are very full of activities, right? Yes. Sometimes it not about this every day, but things about deadline or upcoming tasks that make me feel heavily tired. Okay, heavily tired. Okay, and then have you ever felt like 24 hours just is not enough for you, Anggun? Yeah, definitely. The days that I woke up feeling rushed or feeling overwhelmed before doing anything, and just thinking about my assignment, and then my task, my meeting, and organization, that um make me feel stressed sometimes. Oh, feel stressed because you have so many activity, right? That yeah, sometimes you feel overwhelmed until you feel stressed sometimes. Yes, and because that overwhelmed, then I don't do anything in that day. So I very feel that 24 hours it is limited. Okay. Then, as you mentioned before, you have so many activities, yeah, especially in the third semester and fourth semester. And then, how do you manage your time between organization, study, and for your personal life? Okay. I still learning now because I the type of impulsive person, so it's hard for me. But I think manage time is very important for us for being a growing student. And I want to be a good student or a good person for managing the time. So my daily life not that rushed. Okay. And then have you ever feel like you have one agenda in organization, but you have a deadline to do your assignment? Yeah, yeah. So I try to um balancing that. If I can do my deadline first, my deadline task first, so I need to do that first, and I will permission for another agenda like that. Okay. I think. Okay, then you put your assignment first before your organization activity, yeah? Yeah. Okay. I'll make prioritize tasks or prioritize to-do list. Okay, I think it's good you already made to-do list and then you put your assignment first before you do another activities in organization or another agenda. Yeah. Yeah, Anggun, you said that you active in organization, right? Then do you think that student must be active outside of classroom? And what's your opinion about that?
Okay. Okay. I think being active outside the classroom, like joining organization, um, it's important because it can help students to develop soft skills like communication, teamwork, and leadership. However, I don't think it must be an obligation because every student have a choice and have a different capabilities, and sometimes mental health and academics is more important and uh, already big achievement for us.
Okay. And then your opinion is a student must be active in organization because in organization we got many things. Yeah, we didn't get in the classroom like development skill and then communication skill, etc. But it depend on its person. Yeah. Okay, Anggun, you have so many activities and sometimes you feel stressed or overwhelmed, right? And then how do you usually recharge or heal yourself?
I think having the or activities that big activities. Yeah. Sometimes I just sleep or eating good food, delicious food, or just crochet, listening to music, watching anime, and extra many things that can we do as a healing. And I also think that healing is time to allow yourself to rest without any guilty. When sometimes very busy, that means you're very productive, but you have to focus on your mental health too.
Yeah, okay. Then you can divide, yeah, you between your activity and your mental health.
Yeah.
Focus, yeah. And
Yeah,
then
we need to.
we need to because if we feel stressed and overwhelmed during do something in organization, then it cannot be finished well. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I think so because sometimes I spend my time with a phone and then just sleep and looking for the delicious food, buying ice cream, etc. And I guess it works to heal ourselves.
Yeah. Maybe sometimes people angry because you can't be cold or something, but we need to do it.
Yeah, because we have to keep our mental stable, yeah. Okay, and then if you could give advice to your early semester to self, what would it be?
I think I would say to not compare myself to others and not being that impulsive because I know that everyone has different paths, different journey, different progress, so I just do my best at a time. And I also tell myself to be my junior.
Okay, it's really good.
Yeah, I think so.
It's because comparing ourselves with our friends to be the big pressure for us, I think.
Yeah. Then we blame ourselves for something that we can handle.
Yeah, because sometimes we look to our friend, she already achieved something, then we are too hard on ourselves. Yeah, we are blame ourselves to do something big, but actually we cannot handle it.
Yeah, sure.
Only that. Maybe anything else you want to say to your self?
I also want to say to myself, don't much many mistakes, because mistakes is the best learning for me, I think. And with that mistake, I know, and I do not do that anymore.
Okay. I think so. We have to learn from our mistake, yeah. So then in the future, we never repeat anymore.
Yes.
Okay, I think this is the last, yeah. The last conversation. We are almost in the end of our conversation.
Okay.
Then how? In one word, how would you describe life in third semester and fourth semester?
Okay. If I had one word, I think it would be challenging, because at the time it's challenging academically, emotionally, physically, and mentally for me. But at the time, I also feel growth happened to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then challenging, yeah, because I feel that too. In third semester and fourth semester, it's very challenging because our lessons start to be hard, yeah, and then our assignments start to be hard too, and then and this is the challenging.
Yeah.
I think so. And then anything else for third semester and fourth semester?
Yeah, just silent and stress.
Silent and stress.
But I have much experience with
Okay.
class, friends, and extra. So happy to.
Okay. Happy and stress in the
Yeah.
same time, yeah.
Yeah.
Happy and stress in the same time. Okay. Thank you, Anggun. This is our we are in the end of our conversation. And thank you for coming here.
Thank you. Thanks.
Okay, before we close our episode, we have tagline for this podcast, Anggun. And then if I say podcast, class is over, chill begins.
Okay.
Okay.
Over.
Class is over, chill begins.
Okay.
Okay. Podcast. Class is over, chill begins. See you.
See you.
See you in the next episode, guys.